Hey besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, like this video. It helps YouTube know that I'm giving you guys great content. Over the last few weeks, I've been showing you guys swimwear pieces that you can make and look amazing in it. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys this keyhole bikini top. And guys, you guys would love it, I promise. And without further ado, let's just get started. So the first thing you're going to do is cut out your fabric. Now your fabric is going to be your bust circumference minus 2 inches. That's what the width is going to be by 8.5 inches. Now this depends on how long you want yours to be across your breasts. So just measure from your chest to wherever you want it to stop on your body. So in my case, I'm using 31 inches by 8.5 inches. So my bust circumference is 33 minus 2 inches is 31 by 8.5 inches. So what you're going to do is place it right sides facing each other just like this. Sew it along the sides. So this short edge, sew it there. Then you're going to leave half an inch before you start sewing the bottom and the top. So can you guys see? Leave half an inch and then sew it to the other end. You're going to leave another half an inch space again before you now sew that short edge. So you guys know we're going to insert our strip so that we can have our casing. So just leave that half an inch and then leave a wider gap that you're going to turn your fabric inside out from. So right here, I am done sewing it and I'm going to just use that space to turn it inside out. Now that that is turned inside out, I'm going to use my scissors to make the hole more visible. So can you guys see? This is what I'm doing right here. And now I'm going to top stitch all around except that opening, that half-inch opening basically. So top stitch all around except that half-inch. And then that half-inch, you are going to now sew that casing down. So you are basically going to sew it on the two short edges by half of an inch to create that casing for our straps. So can you guys see what I'm showing you? Half of an inch for the straps casing. Guys, I have sewn it right here. And sometimes you just gotta believe. I'm just going to take my straps. Now this is just like a bias tape sewn together like we always do on this channel. So cut out about 50 inches and then put it inside from one bottom to the other. So can you guys see what I'm doing? So just put it in just like this. Keep putting it in till you get to the bottom. Then put it through the other side. Panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness. And once you're done, this is what it's going to look like. You're going to have this piece with the keyhole basically. Guys, this turned out even more amazing than I thought. It is beautiful. You can even use a ribbon instead of your bias tape. Guys, it looks beautiful. You can reverse it to the other side. It's reversible, sustainable, eco-friendly. You can wear it on different days and no one will know you're wearing the same piece you wore the other time. You're just going to make a statement every single time. Guys, it is beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. You can tie it anyhow you like and I hope you try it out. If you do, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. I'll be ready to showcase your work with all my growing followers and even here on YouTube. Please don't forget to subscribe as well. Subscribe to the channel, like this video. It helps YouTube know that I'm giving you great content. Share within and outside your circle. Comment in the comment section. I'm going to post more amazing pieces that you can make. I have posted other amazing ones. I'm going to link the playlist down below so that you guys can check all the content I have. Convertible pieces, reversible pieces, they are there. You can make them as well. They are beginner friendly. And yes guys, that's it for this video. Until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.